how to enable push notifications on iPhone WhatsApp. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Okay, and after we open up our settings, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead to your notifications, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna scroll a little bit down until you find WhatsApp. All right, and here, as you can see, you will see WhatsApp. And as you can see, we allow notifications and the alerts kind of shape. And if you want the banner side to be temporary or persistent, and you're gonna just go back and see right here sound and badges is. And here on the lock screen appearance, you will see show previews when unlocked or never, and notification grouping. All right, and here in the last option, if we clicked WhatsApp notification settings, it will direct us to the settings right here. And as you can see, notification has been shown, and the sound as well if you want to enter sound, and here in the group notification as well if you want to make a specific sound and show preview. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.